Deep in the Amazon rainforest of Brazil, a modern-day gold rush turning into a raging battle. And officials fear the country may be losing its upper hand. An elite unit called IBAMA, part of Brazil's environmental ministry, patrolling the skies in search of illegal gold mine operations that have ravaged indigenous land and triggered a humanitarian crisis. The agents descending from helicopters, tracking down suspects hiding in the dense forest, using zip ties to detain them before setting fire to illegal mining sites and supplies. The head of IBAMA saying they've been treating this operation like a war from the beginning. That message echoed by President Luiz Inácio Lula, who is vowing to deploy full force against the illegal mining, saying Brazil cannot lose a war to people who are breaking the law. But his promise to protect the indigenous Yanomami people of the Amazon rainforest seen as faltering after the Brazilian military pulled back resources from the crackdown operation. And under his predecessor, Jair Bolsonaro, the illegal and legal mining industries experienced what environmental advocacy groups call their golden years, as the right-wing leader pushed for the industrialization of the Amazon. The number of illegal miners surging to an estimated 20,000 during his 4-year term, according to the current administration. Paying the price, the Yanomami people, who were dying at alarming rates. In 2023, at least 308 indigenous people died from illegal mining, half of those children under the age of 5. The operations bringing disease, malnutrition, and brutal violence to the Yanomami people. Brazil's health ministry reporting deaths from malaria doubled in 2023.
It's reached a massive proportion because the Yanomami have been ill now for several years. There's very high rates of malaria and particularly malnutrition.
This person saying illegal mining has polluted the Amazon's water with mercury. Environmental and indigenous rights group Instituto Socioambiental says the problem boils down to the miners' impact on the environment, destroying the habitat of animals the Yanomami people hunt, using mercury to process ore, which then poisons the rivers they use for fishing, and creating pools of stagnant water where mosquitoes breed and spread illnesses.
The knock-on effect of the mercury we're going to be seeing in the next few years as babies are going to be born with deformities or with mercury poisoning. So this is a very, very serious health issue.
Os garimpeiros foram embora, voltou, mas depois eles voltam daqui 2, 3 anos, eles voltam de novo.
The Yanomami people enduring an ongoing humanitarian crisis with no sure end in sight.
Stephen Romo joins us now in studio. So, Stephen, let's talk some numbers here. How much gold actually comes from these illegal mines in Brazil?
Yeah, some pretty stark numbers here, Tom. Environmental group Instituto Escoljas actually says that about half of all of the gold, 54% of the gold that comes out of Brazil comes from these illegal mines. And it's all about the money. You got to follow the money, right? About $2 billion a year is believed to come from the gold that comes from the illegal mining, which makes sense why they keep doing it, even though these mines keep getting burned down by authorities.
$2 billion. All right. Stephen Romo, we thank you for that story.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.